If I'm so,
we'll get our cameras out. Hold up.
If I'm so
We're
drunk,
gonna make you TikTok famous.
no, you don't gotta make me.
All right, Bird. He said he's a gymnast. What cheerleaders were you with? What cheerleaders?
I wasn't with no cheerleaders.
What was it? Because you said something about Chicago Bulls cheerleaders, I thought.
I was with the Acrobat.
Acrobats.
Y'all want to see?
For the Chicago Bulls.
Babe, they want to see, babe.
Hey.
They want to see. Y'all want to see?
For the Chicago Bulls.
Look.
Yeah, let's see.
All right, here he goes. This Bird Brown. Cheerleader. Cheerleader for the Chicago Bulls.
Y'all see that?
Damn,
flips,
you
man.
did that.
Do some more.
Look.
Damn.
He got a wasted talent.
I never seen a dude be a cheerleader like that. That's damn good, Bird.
I do all type of shit. I can
So what was it? Tell me what you did, Bird, for real, because I know it wasn't cheerleader shit.
flip-flop, nope.
No, I don't need to know all that. No, like where'd you learn how to do that at?
Huh?
Where'd you learn how to do that?
I did that.
YouTube?
I used to flip. I used to flip with the Ringling Brothers and R.I.P. Bailey's, the circus. I used to flip with the circus.
What circus?
All over the world. I flipped in Canada, Europe, Japan.
Yo, which ones? What did you say, Barnum and Bailey?
Ringling Brothers and R.I.P. Bailey's.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you used to flip with them?
Yeah.
Now, what'd you do with the Chicago Bulls? Didn't you tell me you did something with the Bulls?
I threw T-shirts in the crowd.
That's all you did for them?
Like the hat you got on, show them your hat.
Yeah, they know, they seen it.
That hat right there, I threw T-shirts in the crowd. I can show you.
So you do them flips and then throw that shit into the crowd? Or you just standing there throwing the shit in the crowd?
I run around with the sign, make some noise.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I'm an athlete.
I get it.
I can show you something like.
So you was in the halftime show for the Chicago Bulls.
Yeah.
Bird Brown. That's cool, Bird, for real. I gotta give you props on that, man, for real. That's cool. So that's Bird Brown, guys. That's what he did. And that's what he does. Let's see it one more time, Bird. You do it for us, man?
Yeah.
You cool with doing it again?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's see it, guys. We're gonna get him again.
That's crazy. He just flipped his ass off.
He said Barnum and Bailey's and Ringling Brothers, and he run with the flag and made a bunch of noise for the halftime of the Chicago Bulls and threw hats and T-shirts into the crowd.
What the? Right.
That's pretty good. So you learned how to do that with Barnum and Bailey's and the Ringling Brothers?
Yeah,
They're the ones that showed you how to do that?
I flipped with the circus, man. I did all of it.
Yeah? Damn. That's cool, Bird. Thank you for showing that to us, man.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.